spectacular.
Thank you. So today's soup is the cream of mushroom. Yeah.
Cream of mushroom?
Yeah. And the bagels and rice. So this bagel is also organic and I made it here.
You made it?
Yes, everything is.
Wow.
Yeah.
When you don't sleep?
No, I just sleep a lot every day.
Oh,
yeah.
good.
So,
Looks
green
delicious.
salad.
Looks delicious. Itadakimasu.
I think it's going to be amazing. It's going to be delicious. Oshi. Let's look at it one more time.
Delicious soup.
Wow. Let's try the soup. Yummy. Wow. You can tell this isn't coming from a can, but made from scratch. Bursting with flavors. Mushrooms, olive oil, some pepper, some seasonings that are inside, probably some cream. I am becoming a foodie, little by little. After that YouTube with Tomoko and the mochi balls. Really is delicious.
フルコースに変更でプレートつけてもいいですか？はい、じゃあそれでケーキが手とかモガとかレモンのチーズケーキどっちがいいですか？チーズケーキ両方ともチーズケーキ風なんだけど味が違うのでレモンのチーズケーキが普通のモロトフのチーズケーキみたいな感じで
Take a bite of this one.
トンガードっていうエッセンシャルオイルが入ってるのを手とかのチーズ手とか知らなかった
Avocado. I love avocado. Doesn't that look delicious? Sprouts.
手とか
はい。ありがとうございます。飲み物を申しましょう。
The delicious flavors. Everything tasting so good. No sacrifice in flavor. Great flavors and all healthy. Everything in her food is good for you. Unlike maybe much of the food that most of us are raised on, causing often a lot of illnesses, this kind of food here at Cafe Dream contributes to good health, good well-being for those of us who love to have a holistic view on life. It all begins in the stomach. Wow. Poppy food. Bursting flavor, a delicious vinaigrette kind of dressing.
Though I know you're not for me, can't deny that my heart is quivering and craving for your love, dreaming of the days with you. Although I know we can't be together. Tick tock, clocks ticking my head all night long, lying in my bed. Tick tock, 'cause I just can't stop thinking about you. Tick tock, all the words you said. Tick tock, going round my head. Can't shut my mind off thinking if you are true to me.
ないかみたいな感じでそういうのってでもあとは使ってくれるし大会ないのって友達もその大会聞いてとか言って話してるからねそうそうこうってどういう人がいいのみたいなこうねみたいな多いよみたいなすごいいいね神戸で修行っていう名門で長期の4年間ぐらいやってたのねでも帰ってくるもう一回帰ってきてほしいしみたいな感じでもう大会ないのじゃないけどまあみんな仕事が忙しくてなんか人からいないのでちょっと帰ってくる
Ah, good.
会うみたいな
Do you need anything to drink or?
Thank you.
Alright.
そうなんですそうですちょっとあるのもない
TikTok, TikTok, clock stick in my head. All night long lying in my bed. TikTok, TikTok, cause I just can't stop thinking about you. TikTok, TikTok, all the words you said. TikTok, tick going round my head. Can't shut my mind off thinking if you are true to me. Though I know you're not for me, can't deny that my heart.
This is Kari, and this is Dream Cafe. And this video is to help you maybe find a better way of living. And you should reach out to her if any of these things we're going to talk about in this video interest you. Okay?
Good, thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
It was really nice to meet you. Oh, that's beautiful. That's a great place. You have a good business. Bye-bye. It was a wonderful afternoon I got to spend at the Dream Cafe. Organic, vegan, and much more. Delightful small business owner. Single mom with 2 children. Making a difference in people's lives, one person at a time. She's got all natural, good food, an essential oils business, a chocolate business, natural, the cacao. She's got aromatherapies, wellness treatments, advises people, helps people in any way she can, volunteers at senior citizens. She's an amazing woman that when you're in Nagoya, if she's got time, she would be a great resource for you to connect with. And I wish her all the best. I think people in Japan are going to want to do a similar business. She'll be the right person to hire to help get that business started. Thanks for watching this video. Back to the Nagoya station. See you soon. Bye-bye.